video from the channel. This time we check how to create a TikTok account, so let's start. So while I'm here on my TikTok account, I will create a new one. Just click here on the user and then add account. Here on add account, well, you can select if you create a one or you log in a existing account. So in this case, if you see, I see sign up for TikTok. You can sign up with your phone number if you prefer. You can write here a phone number, and also you can select the country. In this case, for example, I'm going to select my country here, and then I will write my phone number here. Also, you can do it by email or Facebook or Google account if you prefer one of them. It's easy for you, it's better. So you can select and then just continue. And when you do it, you can start, well, register here. If you prefer, well, with Google, you can do it. Of course, you have to have a new account. All accounts are registered already on TikTok where you can do it. But if not, you can start with using another, well, email address. So you have to wait until this is accepted or by phone number, etc. So you have to enter your password, as you can see. Okay, so that is how you can start doing it. And well, also by Facebook, you can connect your account here on TikTok and start, well, using it. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, it's very easy to create an account. You have to have a new, well, email address or a new Google account to register, or if you prefer by phone number, you can do it, but you have to have the phone already not use it, because if you use the phone already, you can use your TikTok account, or you can create a new TikTok account. So you have to have new one. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.